One of the most rewarding things is to see the client come in, the client whose company has now been decimated on account of a counterparty's breaches of the contract, and have them come to you in that state and then leave your office a year later with the company back intact, with the train back on the rails and the problem solved. That's what we enjoy doing. The thing I enjoy most about the practice of law is that fundamentally it's a problem-solving exercise. When your client comes to you, whether it's a major corporation or an individual, they are stuck in what feels to them like quicksand. Sometimes it's a problem they created themselves, sometimes it's a problem that they had no part in but they need solved. One of the most important pieces of training that you get when you come out of a criminal background is you think about execution. You think about what is the exhibit and how does it come into evidence. You tell the story and you get the evidence into the record and then let the jury do the rest. And so it's a really important place to train because you get those fundamentals. I think the benefit of having come out of the prosecutor's office, having done criminal defense, is that you develop instincts with respect to dealing with people. A lawsuit's extremely intimidating and it's extremely disruptive. They don't know the process, they haven't been through it before. One thing that we really endeavor to do is to try to appreciate what's keeping the CEO up at night, what's keeping general counsel up at night. And once we understand those things, we can better understand how to solve the company's problem. My first introduction to civil litigation was through the financial crisis and doing a great deal of work for the Lehman Brothers estate. From there, as my practice has expanded, it's enabled me to see more of the field, to see kind of more of a bird's eye view of how the process works start to finish, and then how, with the different industries, as you plug them in, how that's going to impact how that process works. You move in and out of these different industries and you are better equipped to solve the problem if you understand the industry. One day you might be learning about cattle feedlots and the next day it's the medical device industry. And the day after that, you're learning about the helium industry. So it's a fascinating career in that respect.